Here is the Canon EOS Rebel T6. It's got a beautiful lens up in the front. This is a 58mm. You've got your plugins right here. This piece just opens up and then they're all exposed. And you just close it back up to cover it. You have your screen right here. You've got the display button, ISO, AF, W8, your set button, menu, delete. You also have your zooming in and zooming out feature. You've got the little dial right here that gives you all the different modes, such as portrait, night mode, flash, etc. Super easy to use. You also have your on and off button right here. You also have this dial right here, and this is your flash button. This is the button that you would press to capture your photo. It's got this beautiful raw material right here on the side and comes in this beautiful black. With this one, you can also twist both ways to give you that zoom.